Welcome to UA code 127.0.0.1. Today I come to you with my new lecture, and in this lecture I will teach you about advanced Google search. This lecture is all about Google darking. So let's get started. I'm going to open my browser, and if I simply typed any website name and press enter, you can see the result which I get are total these pages. Okay. Now in order to concise my result, I can simply type here the Google operator, that is site operator, and press enter. You can see now the result which I get are total 20,000 pages. Basically, this operator allows us to search for content that hosted on a certain domain. Okay, you can simply type here the operator name, then semicolon. Here should you type the website name or domain name about which you want to search your result. Okay, now same like there are many other operators that you can actually use. Now, if you want to search about some specific keywords if you want to perform search about some specific keywords from this website, you can type that keywords in inverted commas, okay, and press enter. I get a very limited result. Total 800 pages are there, and all these pages are contain some login information. If I further check these pages, see, okay, there is another login page that I get. Now the thing is that without using these operator, it will quite difficult for me to get the login page. Now you can see if I remove that keyword and press enter, you can see a lot of irrelevant pages are there. If my concern is only related to the login page, you can simply specify your keyword here. Same like if you are interested in admin keyword, simply you can type that keyword here. Okay. Some other operators are also there. If you want to actually exclude some specific word or phrase, you can simply type hyphen and that keyword. Something like that. If I typed here hyphen admin, let's see, total 17,000 result I get, and from these searches, this keyword is actually not present. All the pages are present to me, but these pages do not contain any admin information. Same like you can also specify here some other keyword. 20,000 result I get, and definitely all these searches do not contain cybersecurity related keyword. So the thing is that you can exclude any keyword by using this operator hyphen and then that keyword name. Okay. Now if you want to include some specific words or phrase, what should you can use something like that. If I go to the Google, I typed here website name, and now if I typed here admin login and press enter, now the thing is that the result which I get contain total these pages, and all these pages are contain information about admin and login. The point is that you can actually specify your keywords, multiple keywords, by using plus operator. Plus first keyword, then you can specify here the second keyword, you can specify here the third keyword. Total 26 result I get, and all these pages contain the information about admin, login, cybersecurity. Further, I can open these pages as well. But right now I'm not going to do some extra thing on these pages. My main concern is related to the advanced Google search. Okay, you can type as many keyword as you like. So it is also very helpful tool. Okay, there is another operator, that is cache operator. If your this website is actually down and the server is not working, so if you want to display the result from Google cache, you can simply type here, press enter, and this operator is actually display the result from cache. Okay, this is also very useful operator that you can use in order to if the website is down. Okay, now if you want to find a keywords in page title, you can type here another operator, in title admin. Let's see, I get a lot of result because I do not specify any specific website. If I typed site, let's see, website name, and press enter. Now I get all these pages, and these pages are related to the website, some login pages information. Okay, now the thing is that student, you can separate two operator by using comma sign as well. You can see here I'm type first operator, then the domain name, and then I typed here comma sign, and then I'm using a second operator, that is file type. It's also a very useful operator. I'm want to display the result related to the PDF about this website. Total around 2400 pages I get, and you can see the PDF file are present, PDF. Okay, you can also typed here third operator as well. If you type here in URL and then in URL login, let's see, zero result are present. If I typed here in URL, okay, so the point is that you can actually you can use multiple operator combinedly by separate these operator using comma sign. If you want to find the non-HTTPS index pages, then what should you do? You can use actually these syntax, website name and then hyphen in URL HTTPS. Let's see, if I typed here site and then website name and then here I typed in URL HTTPS and press enter. Let's see. Now I total get 75 result, and all these pages do not contain HTTPS. Mean to say these are HTTP pages. You can see here HTTP, HTTP, HTTP. So it's a very handy tool in order to actually find non-HTTPS pages. You know, guys, HTTP pages are not secure and HTTPS pages are secure. Okay, now if you type here hyphen in URL in HTTP and press enter, 21 1000 pages I get which are not actually contain HTTP. Now you can see HTTPS, HTTPS, HTTPS. All these pages are HTTPS. So the point is that you can type here this operator, that is exclude operator, in URL, and then here specify either FTP, HTTP. Let's see if I typed here FTP as well. If I type here SMTP protocol name, so it's a very useful tool in order to exclude some pages or some keywords. Now the next thing is that if you want to find the organization Twitter account, you can use this operator, site and then twitter.com. Let's see if I want to use this operator. Okay, this is the way how you can actually perform advanced Google search by using Google search operator. Definitely student, you will do practice about this. I will come to you with my new lecture. Till that, Allah Hafiz and take care.